Hello guys, welcome back to Silva Osoru's channel. Today we're going to show you how to make a very easy lunch and it's very yummy, so let's get started. So first of all, you have to crack your eggs inside a bowl. Then you can add any type of seasoning you like. In this case we're using salt. And now you can start mixing it. After mixing, make sure you heat up your pan with oil. Make sure it's not too hot. And then add your eggs. Make sure it doesn't just stick to one side because it could burn. And flip it around. Once you're done, take it out. And then you can add a little bit more oil, but use the same pan. And add your onions and pepper. In this case, we could also call it chili. Add your tomatoes. Now, this is what we call the spices of the Indomie. So the spices of the noodles, it has pepper inside. It also has Maggi. So that's what you're gonna add to your sauce, to your tomatoes. Add crayfish powder. And then mix everything together. Let that one cook and then go ahead and also add your Indomie. Before it starts cooking, really, you can add your spices that the Indomie packet provides us with. And add a little oil. Once you seem to see it's a little ready, you can start separating the Indomie from one another. Make sure while you cook it, it's becoming soft. Once the sauce is ready, you can add your Indomie after draining the water and start mixing it. Once you're done, you can add your egg and plate everything, and this is the finishing look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also subscribe on our other platforms, Facebook and Instagram. We newly started that page, so please help us to support and boost up our channel. Bye bye.